Good afternoon. I'm here to show you how to maintain your smoke detector, your 10-year smoke detectors. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like these videos. Please don't be afraid to post your comments. I will reply to your comments. So with your 10-year smoke detectors, there's times when you are sleeping and they may go off or they chirp. So what you need to do is get a can of compressed air, and what you're going to need to do is clean out the vents, the little vents in the side right here. You use your compressed air to blow out any dust and spider webs. You normally want to test these once a month, just to let them go off. And if you don't have compressed air, you can